entrepreneurship skill, attitude, and behavioral development. I now request our chief guest to take over the session. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Start
Thank
பண்ணலாமா?
you.
To start a business. The leadership skills. You should have the leadership skills how to direct the process or direct the employees. So he has to direct himself towards the target what he is going to attain. The communicative skills. So internal and external communicative skills. Internally, his employees if he have a clear skill about what is going to do the business, how he is going to do the business, how he is going to work with employees and self confidence. With all this, the entrepreneurial skill is so the next slide is personal qualities of successful entrepreneurs. So personal qualities of successful entrepreneur depends on achievement 10%, then leadership 14%, then risk taking 17%, personality 10%, then creativity 6%, then energy 44%. So energy plays a vital role. So you should have mental and healthy energy. So you should be healthy enough to start a business. So you should have creativity with the 6% you should have. So you should have mentally you should be suitable for trying to become a in stages of effective entrepreneurial development. From the last, there is awareness, acceptance, vision building, business planning, then learn from direct experience planning, then empowerment. So in detail, we'll see about these points. The first one, awareness. Awareness, you should have clear awareness about what how he is going to start a business. He has clarify his values, personality, capabilities, and personal resources. So, what are the resources available for him and the capabilities? Whether he can able to start a business, then his personality. Then he has to clarify himself, all things, and then he has to start a business. Then acceptance. Identifies recognitions and accepts his strength and weakness. He has to accept himself what are the strengths he has, what are the weaknesses he has, the negatives. All the persons will have positive and negative parts. So he has to accept his negative parts. Negative parts and also he must try to overcome from that negative parts. And with all this, he has to start the business. Then vision building. Vision building means sets long-term goals for himself and for his business. He should have a what target. What he is doing. So that he has to. There is a develop the business plan and action plan to achieve this vision. Then what is plan? Implementation. Action. When you started then learn from direct experience. There is implement the plan, which is based on different experience. So each and everyone has different experience or different situations. So with all the different experiences, they also learn a lesson. So what and what has to be done, there must be what are the rules and rules. So these will be learn from this, learn from his experience. Next, empowerment. Becomes empowered by matching his strength and weakness. So he should develop himself and also his business. So this is what we should try to develop himself and also his